Looking to replace the factory radio in your 2006 to 2008 GM vehicle without sacrificing essential features? The challenge with these models is that they use the GMLAN Data Bus system, which often complicates aftermarket upgrades. But what if you could swap out your OEM radio and still keep all the convenience and safety functions you rely on every day? I recently installed this interface in my wife's 2007 Chevy Impala, and it worked exactly as promised. This device is designed specifically for non-amplified GM vehicles from 2006 to 2008, ensuring a smooth transition to an aftermarket receiver. What stood out was how it retained the full functionality of the OnStar system, something most upgrades overlook. Plus, it keeps the warning and safety chimes intact, with adjustable volume so you're never caught off guard or overwhelmed by sound. Another thoughtful feature is the output for the audible turn signal sound, which you can control independently. The interface also maintains balance and fade controls, so your audio experience stays just right. And don't worry about convenience. This unit preserves the retained accessory power wrap feature, letting you keep your windows or radio running briefly after turning off the ignition. This combination of compatibility and functionality makes it a smart choice for anyone wanting to modernize their car audio without losing what matters most. If you're considering upgrading your GM vehicle's radio, this interface is worth a look. It's straightforward to install, preserves key safety alerts, and offers volume control for chimes and turn signals, features you won't want to lose. Try it when you're ready to enjoy an enhanced audio setup without compromising your car's original systems.